Ladies, when we want to look our best, we could be our own worst critics. We want to feel good. We want to look good about ourselves. And when you're considering cosmetic surgery, you want to consider the very best out there. You want to make sure that the cosmetic surgeon has the trained education, the artistry, the know-how to give you your best face. And that's where this guy comes in. Very happy to introduce you to Dr. Randolph Robinson. And of course, he's the creator, the founder of Robinson Cosmetic Surgery here on Lone Tree. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, Denise. Thank you.
Every time I mention your name, I hear Tessier, trained surgeon. What does Tessier mean?
Well, Dr. Paul Tessier was the father of craniofacial surgery, and he developed a lot of the techniques we use in cosmetic surgery to make people look better and younger.
And of course, when we want to look good, you're highly trained, you're highly sophisticated, educated. We want to make sure we look for those key points in the cosmetic surgeon. What else do you suggest that we look for?
Well, you want to look for a surgeon who has the experience, and you also want to look for a surgeon who has the ability to touch and see where the final point is that we're trying to get to.
When you look good, you feel good. That's a known fact. But you have gone to so many different places in the world, and you have this generous heart that you help nonprofits and you help people that are hurting from the inside because of their looks on the outside.
Right. We have an organization called Face the Challenge, and we go overseas and do surgery on kids with facial deformities. And in their cultures, the face is so important, just as it is in ours. So many of these kids are ridiculed or set aside, and we have the opportunity to serve them and bring them back into society by repairing their facial deformities.
And I've also met your staff here. They're wonderful, they're awesome people. When you walk through the door, you're greeted with a smile. Did you purposely pick out those certain type of people to work here with you?
Well, you know, I have to come to work every day too. And I want to work with people who are fun and energetic and share that same passion for the patients that I have.
And don't you believe also you're an artist at what you do? Because you can go to anybody out there who says, I'm a cosmetic surgeon, but if they don't have the know-how to make you look natural, everyone's going to know you had a little nip or tuck done.
Well, there's some techniques that are very standard, but you have to know how to apply those techniques so it looks natural, because every patient is different. Not every patient is the same. So you have to tailor what you're doing to benefit the patient in the most aesthetic and the most artistic way. When we talk to the patient, we want to find out what they want. But there's also perspective of where can we go? What can we do for the patient? Maybe things that they haven't necessarily thought about. And so in the consultation, it gives us the opportunity to do that and explore the possibilities.
So ladies and gentlemen, like we said, men come here a lot too. If you're concerned about the safety, the education, the artistic ability, and just an overall really nice guy with a good heart, then I really want to encourage you to pick up the phone and make that appointment, that free consultation, 303-792-2828. Or again, check out his website. There's a lot of before and afters on there that you can see for yourself. It's RobinsonCosmeticSurgery.com.